Alright, so we took a long drive from Las Vegas, Nevada, all the way to Utah. When I say long, it was around like 3 hours. We are currently in Springdale, Utah, parking at stop 9 in Zion Park to go to the Narrows. So let's go on an adventure. My first time doing this, something that I've wanted to do for a very long time, and finally making it happen. But at this stop, I just want to show y'all the views. It's absolutely amazing. The shuttle. I am going to rent some gear, some hiking sticks for this trip, so let's go get some. Alright, so could not rent any hiking gear because it's expected to flood, so we're going to go ahead and just head into the park and do a regular hike. Wasn't what I wanted, but we'll come back. So I'm gonna do the river walk, which is stop number 9 on the shuttle. This is the shuttle that's going to take us there. It's the same stop as the Narrows, but because of the flood, again, we're not doing the Narrows today. Alright, just got off at the Temple of Sinawava. It was about a 40-minute drive from the first stop to the last stop, and we're currently going to do the river walk because the Narrows, for the 5th time, they're expecting flash floods, and so I'm going to find a spot to stop and eat some snacks, and then I'll be walking this 1.5 2-mile hike. Right there. So I made a pit stop at the river and decided to get some water in me. Got some snacks from a produce stand before I got to the park. But so far, absolutely in awe. It's not hot at all here, and I know it's because, one, we're compared to the elevation of the actual mountains around us, we are very low, one, and then we have the cascading canopy blocking the actual sun. But it's August and it's not hot. I don't see a lot of bugs, mosquitoes. Keep an eye out for flash floods because I am sitting directly on the river. But all in all, I'm impressed. It's gonna be a lazy hike. Just taking in nature, just sitting here and pondering. I'm gonna come back and do the Narrows. I really do want to do the Narrows now. All right, so I just made it to stop 6 in Zion Park, and here we have the Emerald Pools and then the Grotto Trail. I'm gonna try to go see the Emerald Pools. Some history around Zion Park. So the canyons, like most canyons, were created by erosion, specifically by water, and it's still in taking place. Like they were explaining that when rock and silt falls off the canyon and blocks the path of the river makes a new path, and then it cuts into the canyon, into the rock, to create more channels and pathways. As we all know, this was sacred land to indigenous people, and they're still here, as well as everybody else in the world that comes to enjoy this national park. It's very peaceful. I really would suggest that you take a couple days. I will come back because it's a lot that I'm not going to be able to see in this one day, but I suggest that people come with your family because there are easy trails, moderate trails, and advanced trails. So it's something for everybody. Something for people who are in wheelchairs, toddlers, if you have to carry them in strollers. It's accessible for a lot of people, and a way to reconnect with nature, allow us to be more zen and be more present in our life, instead of just being in the hustle and bustle of what metropolitan areas require of us, right? Look at this scenery, y'all. It's a long hike though. I'm sweating already. On this side too, I'm just like surrounded by God's beauty.
I saw you earlier.
Yeah?
And you had the same smile on your face as you were coming up the
You
trail.
see this? It's beautiful.
Isn't it great? I appreciate the smile.
Thank you. How sweet was that? All right, so this is considered a moderate trail. I tried to give you guys a lot of footage of what the trail actually looked like compared to the temple of Swivana. This is not paved. This is very rugged, but it is worn down over time. So unlike the other one, not wheelchair accessible. You will not be able to use strollers or anything like that. And then it's right on the cliff. So as you can see, like right on the cliff. So moderate hiking. Nope.
Okay. This is safe.
guys, I just made it to my car and I feel bad because I did not go to Weeping Rock. However, if you can see behind me, it is about to pour down raining. So I left just in time. I have to come back anyway because I'm doing the Narrows. So next video with me and Zion, I will show Weeping Rock and the Narrows. But literally, I just got a alert on my phone for flash flood warning. So I am going to head out.